Hello everyone and welcome back. In this video I will be teaching you how to remove Heygen watermark. So I recently downloaded a video from Heygen and you can see there is a watermark on that.
Hi, let's start with this video, and I am super
So you can see in this video in bottom right side we do have this watermark, and to get rid of it there are two ways. First one is basically you can simply upgrade to a premium plan. So you can see once you click on upgrade you can simply click on this first plan and get started with that, and it will be giving you a watermark free experience, and you will not have that. You can simply purchase any of these plans and you will have that watermark removed. So if you want to get these plans and want discount on them, you can head over to the link in the description below, and that will allow you to simply get 22% off and enjoy the watermark free experience. So another thing that you can do is simply head over to the site and you can search in here for let's just say any video editor. So you can even use Canva, like for example in here, and you can see we have watermark on bottom right side, and we can head over to our elements section and we can take a shape of a similar color to which the background is. So this trick will work if your background is usually white, which I recommend. If you do not need any distracting background, you can just use white. This looks good. And once you have your shape you can select the color to anything which matches, let's just say white, and you can put that onto the watermark. So that's how you can remove it, and you can export it by using the share option and download, and that's how your watermark is removed. So I hope this helps. Thank you so much for watching.